Welcome back to our items video series. In this video, we are diving into item configuration management, one of the most critical integration between IT asset data and configuration management database. A well-maintained configuration strategy helps ensure compliance, accurate operations, and streamlined audits. Let's walk through four key areas to our focus. CI classification and configuration items. Configuration items or CIs are the building blocks of your CMDB. Proper classification of CIs ensure that each item is stored, tracked, and related correctly. CI types like server, applications, routers, and software licenses should be defined based on business use. Using service tags and asset links, you can tie physical and software assets directly to the operational services. CMDB mappings allow you to visualize how these CIs are interdependent, enabling better service awareness and incident response. Think of this stage as laying the foundation for the entire item CMDB relationship. Linking assets to services. A core item goal is to link every asset back to a business service. Through service mapping, assets like laptop, cloud servers, database can be shown to support critical services such as HR portals or customer facing apps. These operational ties help during change management, incident resolution, and financial tracking. With impact views, you will immediately see what services will be affected if a CI fails, making decision faster and smarter. User association also help identify who owns or uses a particular asset, providing accountability and faster support. Monitoring configuration changes. One of the biggest challenges is keeping up with unauthorized or accidental changes. Change audit tracks every configuration modification, help them stay compliant and transparent. You can spot and roll back unauthorized changes before they become incident. Baseline comparison lets you compare the current state of an asset or CI with its original or approved configuration. When needed, rollback options in ServiceNow can restore previous states with minimal impact. Keeping this process under control ensures systems remain stable and predictable. Let's explore the CIs and assets on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance. If we go to the CI tables, CI chart list. So this is the core table of CMDB, which contains the configuration items. So these are all the configuration items. Like if we open one bracket, so here is the detail of this configuration items. The name of this configuration item is this. Its asset tag, and it's linked with this asset, and its company, serial number, model ID, and assigned to every detail is available here. And its operating system is this, version is this, and it contains different type of information related to this CI. So in this way, the configuration items are stored in the CMDB. Audit readiness with CMDB accuracy. Reg- Regulatory and internal audits rely on traceability and data accuracy. Audit logs within ServiceNow show a full record of CI changes, who changed what and when. CI traceability means you can prove a device or system lineage and compliance at any point in time. With record history, you gain transparency across the asset lifecycle, and thanks to the real-time updates, your CMDB reflects the current IT landscape without delay. All of this reduce risk, simplify audits, and build trust in your ITAM process. Let's quickly summarize what we covered in this video. We began with CI classification, the foundation of configuration management. Then we looked at how linking assets to the service improves visibility and operational decisions. Next, we discussed monitoring configuration changes to prevent service disruptions and maintenance compliance. Finally, we covered how to stay audit ready through CMDB accuracy and real-time data. Configuration management turns item from a static inventory into a living, responsive ecosystem. Up next is integration and automation, where we will explore how ServiceNow connects with other systems, automate workflows, and bring real-time agility to IT asset management. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.